Camera's on fire. Alright, I'm going to be shooting for groups, 25 yards. I'm going to start off with a wolf ammo, 223. There's one round, one impact in the right target, just at about the 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock position on the bottom right target. Sorry, bottom left target. You can see it there. Anyways, other than that, it's a pristine target. We're going to start shooting groups there. Here we go. Top left. Again, this is the Wolf 223 ammo. 55 grain. Because I don't know where it's going to hit, I think I'm going to go the bottom left target first. Here we go. Okay. Let's send all 10. Fuck it. Okay. Okay, next up is the PMC ammo. 55 grain as well, I think. PMC bottom right target. Right. I'm just going to shoot 10, fuck it. Here we go. Jesus fucking Christ. Okay. I will be buying more of that ammo. Holy shit. Okay, that's pretty fucking good. I don't care what anybody says, that's pretty fucking good. I don't even think I'm going to shoot anything else. Okay, this one I'm going to be going for, this time I'll be shooting the Frontier ammo with Hornady rounds. It is also 55 grain. Here we go, 10 shots. We're going to go dead center bullseye. Let's see. 10 shots quick, here we go.
Maybe in the first board? Are they gonna...
Okay. Well, considering I wasn't really taking my time and I was just racking off some rounds there. Go those ran very well as well. Okay, I got the Benjamin Armada now, shooting the JSB 18-13s. We're going to do a couple 10-shot groups to compare. Let's go with this top. Actually, let's make sure she's zeroed first. Let's, okay, decently enough. That'll work. Okay, here we go.
50 or 100?
This would be a 9-shot group because I just took one over there. Yeah, they're good, they're good.
Cashflow's only got about 20 grams of fire. Not a problem.
Okay. Not bad. Okay, now for comparison's sake, we're going to shoot 10 rounds of the JSB Hades 15-8-9s. Here we go.
Oh, level out, come on!
Yeah.
I don't know if that one was one of my shots, one of my 10, or if it was from earlier. I honestly don't know, but it doesn't matter because that's still a pretty fucking good group. Okay, this is my target from earlier. I don't shoot ARs too often, mostly because, you know, it's expensive. Not as expensive as shooting my pellet guns. But for really not shooting that often, I'm very happy with that. If I can hold accuracy that is very similar to my air rifle at 25 yards, that gives me hope that the gun is capable at much further. I will add that they had a 200-yard gong out at the range. One of the two chains that was holding the gong up was disconnected, so the gong was kind of flopping sideways, and I absolutely tapped that again and again and again, even though it was sideways and it was only, you know, 3 inches wide, and yeah, at 200 yards it was no problem for that gun, and I am very happy with that. So I said, I'm not a big AR shooter, not because I don't like it. I love shooting any gun, but in my opinion, that is very respectable accuracy. Thanks for watching, everybody, and staying tuned. On to the next adventure.